Hello guys, and welcome to this quick one. Today I'll be showing you how I solved a problem, so I think it's worth sharing with everyone in case you also run into this kind of problem. You know how to solve it. So yesterday I was trying to create a blog post, and then I noticed that while trying to upload pictures, the pictures were not uploading. It kept returning with an error message that the server could not process the request. So after trying it several times, I now decided to log into my CPanel to see what was going on, why the server would not process the request. So I had to log into my CPanel to see what the problem was. And when I logged in, this is my CPanel, I scrolled down to where I had my storage space, and I noticed that I had exceeded my storage capacity. That is my server storage capacity. So what you're seeing here is 4.88 gig used, and it's showing that 100.3% have been used. Now, the first thing that came to my mind was that I have been managing several websites for people, and I've never had this issue before. So why should this happen? I mean, why should I exceed this one? Okay. And what I have here is just images, and my images are optimized, text and everything, no videos and all of that. So that I was just thinking something is not just right. So I decided to do a little bit research, and then I found a solution. So I want to share this solution with you guys in case you happen to run into this kind of problem where you have exceeded your storage capacity on the server. You can also apply this solution. If you ever come across this kind of problem, the first thing for you to do is to locate disk usage. You can see here disk usage. So if your CPanel interface is different from my own, you can simply go to where you can search for the tools and then type in disk usage. Here you can see it comes up. So wherever it is, the search is going to bring it up here. You click on disk usage. And here under disk usage, you can see how you have stored your files and everything that you can store. Mine, you can see all of them are very low. Just one here, that's the public HTML folder, is where the size is really big. So here you can still scroll down, and down here you can see it is sorted by name, but I want to change it to sort by disk usage. So you can see that the biggest now comes to the top, and that is public HTML. Right, so yours can be different. All the sizes will be listed here in descending order. So mine, the only one that I'm going to go after now is this public HTML, because it contains all the files that is making my disk storage to fill up. So I'll come to this arrow and I'll click so that it will expand. There it is. So you can see where the files are now stored. Here we have WP content. That's where it's still having most of the capacity. I'll click on this. So here we can see all the sizes, and we have here all in one backup. So this is the backup for my website, and that explains everything because it's the backups that has been filling up. You can see the size for the backups only. So I'll come to all in one migration and click this. You can see the different times I backed up my website. You can see this one 478, this one 789. So what I'll do, I'll come to where we have last modified and click on it so that it will now sort based on the last time the file was modified. So that way I'll know the latest backup and I will not delete that one. Down here you can see January 17, 2024, and that is the time. So just before that one was on 16. So I'm going to delete all of these ones. I'm going to delete all these backup files. You can see them here, all this, and leave only this one here. I'll select all of them, come to where I have delete here and click on delete. So it's now telling me, are you sure you want to move the following to the trash? I can simply click on this and says keep the trash and permanently delete these files. But guys, when you are doing these things, you need to be very careful. so that you don't delete important files in your system. Alright, so I'm done with that. I'll click on confirm. Okay guys, so I've successfully deleted all of them. So I'll now go to where I have trash, view trash, and you can see they are all here in the trash. And I'll come to where I have empty trash and empty everything. Okay guys, so that is it. My trash is now empty. So if I view trash one more time, you can see this directory is empty. So going back to my CPanel now, you now see that I have used 36%. That means I've done away with most of those backups, and this is more like it. I've used 1.76 gig of 4.88. So the thing is, when you open the disk usage, it's going to show you where most of these files are. So yours could be the email. Okay, so if it's your email, you need to log into your email address and then manually delete your emails so that you can select the ones you want and the ones that you don't want. So that way you are going to restore back the space that you can use for other things. So now I can go back and do my blog post, and then things are going to work smoothly again. Just look at this. So guys, that's been it. This was a very quick one. I just wanted to share this because it's something I ran into, and I know somebody will also have this problem in future as you keep growing in your web design career. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.